How y'all doing out there in video land? This is Stiletto coming at you from the Wild Wild West. Today we got a big unboxing, people. Gonna start some projects. Some 2025 projects. All right. And where is this one coming from? I can't remember where it came from. From shipping department, Winfield Dunn something. I want to say it was it Smoky Mountain Knife Works? I can't remember, people. Maybe we'll see a package slip on the inside. And this one's coming from Original Goat. And this one's coming from Rip's Garage Tech. Rip's Garage Tech. So you guys can start guessing what the project might be. I mentioned it last year. Let me see, what we're going to unbox it with. No, we're not going to box it with that. I forgot. I got to use my left hand carry for utility work. All right. Doing the unboxing today is my Shark Cub. My Dimple Knife Shark Cub. With black G10 handle scales. 20 CV blade, big pivot. It's an awesome little utility knife, people. This is a really awesome utility knife. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, we got a whole bunch of goodies. We got some gifts in here. Some stuff I didn't order. Okay, let's see what we got. Keychain diamond sharpener. Keychain diamond sharpener. Let's see where this is coming from first. Smoky Mountain Knife Works, people. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. All right. Let's go ahead and set that aside. It's coming from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, people. All right. They gave us a little pocket knife. I must have ordered over a certain amount, and they gave me a gift. And we got a sharpener. Let's see what this looks like. Now that's interesting. How does that work? A sharpener, huh? Oh, okay. There's a sharpening rod right there. That's kind of sweet. I think I'm going to put that in my bug out bag. That's kind of sweet right there. I think I could find some uses for that. Pocket knife. Interesting. CR7 MOV. Not very good still, sounds like. And we got another little carabiner. And they gave me a whole bunch of little gifts. Thank you, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. With a little blade in there too. That's cool. I'll use this too. I'll use that too. I like that too. All right. And then a whole bunch of little things here. This is $100 off a wine voucher. I don't drink wine, so doesn't really work for me. And we got the main thing I was ordering right there. That's right, people. That's going to be the project coming up. Put all this stuff back in here for right now. Just so we can stay a little bit organized. All right. All right. Let's see what we got over here, people. All right, brand new Microtechs. What Microtechs are these? They're the ones I told you about, people. Remember I told you I got the 30th anniversary ones? That's what these are. I got them to modify. And did not get these to leave stock. These got the polymer handles. Here's number one. Customer sharp edge inspected by brand new, come from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Made in 8/20/24. Nice and smooth, people. It's got the 30th anniversary emblem on there. As you know, this is a 390 MK blade. Absolutely love these, people. We're going to modify both of these. I'm going to modify one today, then the other one I'm going to work on this weekend because it's going to require a lot of work. Let's go ahead and open up this one too. Both of them are coming out. Both of them are getting modded. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. MSI, people, is one of my favorite knives, people, from Microtech. I don't really have a whole lot of Microtech knives, but the majority ones I do have are MSIs. I think I got like about 4 or 5 MSIs now. I really like the MSI, people. I know it has, you know, some issues with the, you know, with the lock. You know, I've seen that, you know, cutting board reviews. I've seen that. But I still like this knife. Because the knife is just, it just feels good in hand, fits the hand really good. I think this is a really good big utility knife. That's the way I would classify this one as, is a big utility knife. And if I trust a lock more, I'd say it'd be a great self-defense folder too. But as it is, I just like carrying these. These are really nice knives, people. I really like the Microtech MSI. I love the Microtech MSI. And you know I love my cold steels. That's the one I carried today. I did a little short on it for y'all. Let's go ahead and put it back in my pocket. That's my utility folder. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open this one up first. No, let's open up this one first. We'll get rid of the box. And what's this one? Titanium OG Goats. Titanium OG Goats with the Phresh finish. Gunstock. Titanium OG Goats. That's going to go with one of them. Got some spare screws in here for the pocket clips. Got to pull those out too. That's what comes with the screws. That's what's in that one, people. Let's see what's in this one. This one we're going to put together over the weekend. That's going to be my weekend project, people. I'm going to polish it. Now I'll show you, and I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see how I polish things. So I think I'm going to do a little polishing video, you know, just to show the equipment that I use and stuff. Not so much go through all the different stages of polishing, but to show you what I use. Help you out so you can figure it out from there if so desire. And this is coming from Rip's Garage Tech, people. Rip's Garage Tech. I saw this and I had to have it. I had to have it. I had to have it. And what is it? Ho ho ho! Oh yeah, purple G10. Purple G10. And look at the pattern in this. It's got like the diamond pattern in the G10. It's the first time I've seen this for a G10 for these. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Diamond G10. Nice and lightweight. Rip's Garage Tech. Rip's Garage Tech. And that's what's going to go on this one. I'm going to do one of these. That's what I'm going to do right now, people. I'm going to put it together right now. This one I'm going to save. Let's go ahead and put this one back in the box and keep all the parts together. This one gets done over the weekend. All right. This one gets done right now. All right. What we need. Let's break out the weehaws. Yeah, these are T8s, I think. T8s. Yep, T8. What was this, a T10? I can't remember. Let me see what it is, people. I got magnifying glass over here. Oh, no, I'm a magnifying glass over here. So let me see, I won't be able to tell you. T20. Is that 20? Okay, it's a T20. All right. Now on this one, this should be the stationary side of the pivot that you don't want to turn. You don't want to turn this side. You just want to turn this side. Both sides feel like they're turning a little bit. Because I don't want the other side to turn, because I don't want it to spin. Try to find the right size here. That one feels like it'll work. Okay. Just need it to hold it. There we go. Yeah, you don't want to spin these because you'll strip out the pivot. So you want to hold it from both sides, but this side doesn't come out. This side doesn't come out, people. All right, one down. Now we're disassembling everything because we're totally going to change these scales. Well, the purple ones are going to be sweet. Absolutely love these MSIs, people. I know, a lot of people either really like them or they really don't like them. I'm one of the people that really likes them. I like the amphibian and the stitch too. I don't have a stitch, but I think that one's pretty cool too. But I do have I have a couple of amphibians. I must admit though, the one I like to carry is the MSI. I must admit. The MSI is the one that I like the best. Oh, I forgot to break out the skiffs too, because we got some skiff bearings for this one also, people. Okay, now take apart this side. A purple MSI coming up. I love my purple pocket knives. Why do I like purple? I don't know. I just like the color, period. I think it looks pretty cool on hot rods and motorcycles. One thing that's cool about purple to me is like, to make purple, you got to take red and blue. Red and blue means a lot of things in this country. Democrat, Republican, Crips or Bloods. North or South, when the biker world, North or Southern California. Southern California is blue, Northern California is red for bikers. And when you mix the colors together, you get purple. That's why I think I sort of like purple. It's a color that brings two sides together. United we stand, divided we fall, people. All right, look at these. Those old ones. And here's the new ones. All right, let's get started putting these things together. Now if I can remember how to put it all together, huh? I'm not gonna polish anything on this one. This one's gonna, be just a stock knife with the custom parts. Let me see here. This side is the pocket clip side. Okay. Here's my pocket clip. There we go. Oh yeah, it's got the weird pocket clip. I forgot about that. Which one goes in here? Like so. Like so. Okay. This is the tricky part on this one for me is the pocket clip. But we're gonna get it. Okay, we got it started. All right. Just finger tight. That looks about right. Right there. Okay. This side, the pivot goes in. Here's my pivot. I'm thinking I got to break out the other one just so I could use it as a way to see how this one goes together. Okay, let me see what I got going on here. Uh-oh, did I put it together wrong? I might have put it together wrong, people. Oh, no, I got it right. Got it right. All right. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I did this piece should go on the other side. Okay. Gotta take it back apart again. This piece doesn't go there. Urgh. Being difficult. We're going to get it. I must admit, though, these pocket clips are sort of a pain in the butt, the way that they do them. But once you get them in there, they're in there. There we go. Okay, now we're in there properly. Finger tight. Finger tight. Move on to the next part. Let's put this side together too, now that we know that how this goes.